Alright Etsy sellers, let's be real for a second. Getting the star seller badge sounds amazing, right? But if you're here, you probably realized it is not as easy as Etsy makes it sound. Maybe you're responding to the messages all day, but Etsy still says your response rate is too low. Maybe your customers love your products, but one 4-star review drops your rating below 4.8. Maybe you're shipping on time, but Etsy keeps flagging your deliveries as late. Sounds familiar? Well, here's the truth. Etsy's Star Seller Badge isn't just about doing the basics right. It is about understanding how Etsy tracks and rewards the sellers behind the scenes. 35% of Etsy buyers are more likely to purchase from a star seller. And star seller shops rank higher in search results, which means more views and more sales. On top of that, there are always buyers who trust star sellers more, making them more likely to leave positive reviews. Hello sellers, welcome back to Marketplace Success, the channel where we help e-commerce sellers like you confidently navigate online marketplaces. I'm Pradamba, and today we're diving deep into Etsy's Star Seller program, but not in the usual way. I'm not just going to tell you to ship on time and reply quickly. Nope. I will break down the insider tricks, psychological techniques, and hidden Etsy rules that successful sellers use to game the system and get that badge faster and easier than most. If you're serious about getting and keeping your star seller status stress-free, then this video is for you. Let us dive in. Customer reviews. Let us start with the most significant factor in getting star seller, your reviews. Customer reviews account for 50% of your star seller score, and Etsy looks at two main things. Your average rating must be at least 4.8 stars. The frequency of 5-star reviews. Etsy rewards consistency. So, how do we ensure your shop is packed with glowing 5-star reviews and pack the 50% to your Etsy scorecard? Here are 3 hacks that work like magic. Trick number 1, the expectation control hack. Here's a fact: if a customer expects a perfect product and gets anything less, they'll dock you a star even if it is a great product. The trick: lower their expectations just slightly, then over-deliver. If you're selling earrings, send them a personalized message right after the purchase stating, "Hey buyer, just a quick heads up, our handmade earrings have delicate details so that they may look slightly different from the listing photos due to natural variations. We personally inspect every pair to make sure they're perfect before shipping. Can't wait for you to receive them." What does this do? Instead of nitpicking, your customer expects small variations and feels delighted when the earrings arrive even better than expected. Trick number 2, the guilt-free review hack. Some customers love your product but just never get around to leaving a review. The trick: make it about them and not you. Send this message 2 days after delivery that goes like, "Hey buyer, I hope you're loving your new purchased product. If you have a moment, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Your review does not just help my small business, it helps other shoppers find the products they love as well." Why this works? Now they see leaving a review as helping others, not just helping you. And guess what? They're way more likely to do it. Fun fact: Daria, the owner of Polka Prints, said using personal post-purchase follow-ups tripled her 5-star review count. And the third trick, the surprise and delight effect. Include something unexpected: a thank you note, a sticker, or a discount code for their next purchase. Small gifts create an emotional connection and increase the 5-star review likelihood by almost 30%. Shipping and tracking. Shipping problems kill star seller status fast, even if it's not your fault, as it covers 25% of your scorecard to being a star seller. So here is how to ensure Etsy never flags your shipments as late. Hack number 1, the buffer zone trick. Many star sellers utilize the buffer zone trick to set the processing time to 1-2 days longer than they actually need. Etsy will mark you as an on-time overachiever if you ship early. Hack number 2, always use Etsy labels. Orders shipped using Etsy labels are automatically tracked and prioritized in Etsy's algorithm. Star sellers who exclusively use Etsy's shipping system see a 60% drop in late shipment flags. Is it worth it? Absolutely. Response time. Next, we have response time, which accounts for 15% of your star score. Etsy does not count automated messages, so here is how to stay at a 100% response rate without being glued to your phone 24/7. Step 1. Use Etsy's saved replies for fast responses. Preset a friendly, helpful auto response like, "Hey customer, thanks for reaching out. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. But in the meantime, here is an answer to common questions." Step number 2. End your first response with a question. Example, are you looking for a gift, or is this for yourself? Why this works? If they reply, it resets Etsy's timer, giving you another 24 hours to reply. Boom, stress-free star seller score. Alright, so before you go, do not forget one last hack. Double check your star seller dashboard weekly. Sometimes Etsy updates its tracking or response time calculations, and catching issues early can save your badge. Getting star seller status isn't just about working harder, it is about working smarter. Now, if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Etsy hacks. Drop a comment below with your biggest star seller struggle, and I'll help you out. See you in the next video.